It's Patty, and you're listening again to Patty's Corner. You know what it is. I'm gonna read a thread. Okay, I'm gonna start na. Sabi niya, Hello po. Just a random question. GF ka for 10 years and accountant BF mo with high-paying salary. He prepared branded shoes watch for his family as Christmas presents, and the GF received a hair accessory worth 100 pesos. I know it's the thought that counts, but is it bad to feel sad for what she received? Thank you, Smiley. P.S. She didn't receive any flowers for the entire 10 years. Hindi naman materialistic yung girl, pero it's sad to think na di ba niya deserve yung present na may effort and pinag-isipan kung ano talaga gusto ng girl. Aware naman si girl na di talaga gift-giving love language ng boy. Quality time. Whenever they have a date, he always asks first if the girl wants something. And my friend, not wanting to have the impression for him as a materialistic person, always rejects him buying something. Is it still valid to be sad even she rejected those offers? First of all, sure ka hindi ikaw to. And naman, for your friend, tas 10 years na sila, tas yung gift niya, 100 pesos na hair accessory. Hindi naman naghihirap yung guy. As you said, he has a high-paying salary. Tapos wala pang ring. I don't know. I think the guy sounds bad news. Hindi ako masyadong tawag dito. I'm not the right person to comment on this kasi I haven't had a relationship yet. But I have friends who are in a good relationship. So this guy sounds really bad news. Wala pa ako nakitang friend ko na kinukuripot siya nung guy na mahal niya. And based from my grandpa, hindi rin kami tinitipid ng lolo ko. I mean, he's matipid, pero hindi niya kami tinitipid on, he's a provider, he's a good provider. This guy sounds like he's not a good provider. Or maybe it sounds like he doesn't really love the girl. Kasi 10 years, tas walang ring, tapos sabi mo pa nga, she didn't receive any flowers for the entire 10 years. Kasi even though a girl would say na, oh, ayoko ng bulaklak, ganyan, bibigyan pa din yan ng lalaki, siya pa din magde-decide. I don't know. I don't know ha, pero itong friend mo, I think, hiwala yan. Charis! Ang weird nun. Binigyan niya yung family niya ng, I mean, hindi naman weird. I mean, binigyan niya yung family niya ng branded shoes and watch for Christmas. Tapos yung girlfriend niya, bibigyan lang niya ng 100 pesos na hair accessory. Tapos 10 years na sila. Hindi man lang, ewan ko ba? Tapos nakakainis, high-paying job. He's not a good provider. Naiinis. Ba't ganyan? Parang kung ako yung naka-receive ng hair accessory, parang mapipikon ako. Tapos 10 years na tayo. Feeling ko, hihiwalayan ko na siya. Kasi, naiinis ako. Hindi ko alam paano kuhanin yung feelings ko dito nung una ko nga tong nabasa din. Na para bang, ganun ba yung worth ng love niya? 100 pesos na accessory. Kasi hindi siya reason to say na hindi niya kayang bumili. Kasi coming from you already that he has a high-paying salary and he is an accountant. So, ano yun? Tinitipid niya yung girlfriend niya. Paano pag nagkasawa pa sila, tapos nagkaanak sila? 'Di ba? Tapos, ganyan, titipirin niya. Nakakainis. Magbasa nga tayo ng mga comments. Oh my gosh, sabi nito. Ang sakit naman nito. Unfortunately, that's how much they saw you as your worth. Parang sayang na ang mag-spend ng mahal sa'yo. She's a placeholder. I've seen someone get out of an 11 years at the age of 36. She is still single when she turned 40 due to trauma. Ladies, don't do this, waiting for a man to decide where you stand in his life. I hope she will find the courage to choose and love herself more. I'm sorry but nakakaawa lang na we are allowing this treatment sa sarili natin. Agree. You know what's interesting? Accountants don't usually spend money sa mga kilala ko to. And if ever they do spend money, only those they value. In conclusion, if tinitipid siya ng guy and it's already 10 years pero no proposal, exactly, 10 years, no ring. At saka I don't think it's because of the profession. It's not because he's an accountant. Cause, ang dami ko kilalang accountants, di naman sila ganyan. I don't know. But, the guy really sounds like bad news. Another one said, when a man loves you, generosity comes naturally. You don't even need to ask. Exactly. I remember one time, my grandpa, he was kind of like, my grandfather asked me when he was alive. Sabi niya sa akin, tara punta tayo ng mall, sama natin si lola mo. Tapos sabi niya, saan tayo pupunta? Sabi ko, bibilhan lang natin siya ng bracelet. Sabi niya gano'n. Okay, sige, sabi ko ganyan. Tapos, umalis kami. Kaming tatlo. My grandma is not the type of person na she would ask my grandfather to buy her stuff. Pero my grandfather, kapag nakikita niyang may kailangan ng lola ko, he buys stuff that my grandma needs. So, ayun, tapos wala lang, naalala ko lang yung memory na yun. It was a happy memory because he was like, come on, let's go. Bilhan natin si lola ng bracelet, ganyan. So, ang ginawa namin, umikot kami sa mall. The first mall na pinuntahan namin, walang nagustuhan yung lola ko. So, we transferred to another mall. And then, at that time, may nagustuhan na siya. So, binili namin yung bracelet na, na sinusuot niya up until now. So, ayun, parang, naano ko lang na, if a guy loves you talaga, he would provide for you. Even though kahit na walang-wala siya, he has that mindset to provide for you and to provide for his family. If he loves you. Lagi ko na, yan, sa mga friends ko, they would always tell me, if a guy is generous to you, naturally, he loves you more. Kind of like that. So, minsan napapaisip ako na, totoo nga ata ang mga sinasabi nila. Kasi, if the guy loves you, he would provide for you talaga. Bibigyan niya lahat ng kailangan mo, kailangan ng pamilya mo, kailangan niya ng mga anak mo. He would not, hindi siya magsusumbat. Kind of like that. I think that's it. I don't know with this 100 peso hair accessory, parang hindi ako natutuwa. Tapos 10 years na kayo, tapos 100 pesos hair accessory lang. I don't know, maybe may iba namang, let's not judge the guy, sige. Maybe, wala namang, at maybe kapag anniversary nila or something, binibigyan naman siya ng other gifts. Diba? Pero, this, I don't know, nakakainis yung 100 peso hair accessory, ha? Tapos, makikita mo yung niregalo niya sa pamilya niya. Hindi naman sinasabi na huwag niyang regaluhin yung pamilya niya ng branded watches and shoes, but, sana man lang, ginawa niyang fair. Ganon din yung niregalo niya dun sa girlfriend niya. Not just a 100 peso accessory. The guy really sounds like bad news. And then, there's this one, said, until you date a generous man, you'll never understand how deeply men love to provide for the women they love. Taking initiative and doing things without ever being asked. Exactly. Like my grandfather, I just said a while ago. My grandfather, he really provided for us. Because he loves us. Truly love us. I don't know with a girl, but I think wala na yan. Charis, maybe pag-usapan. I don't know, kasi 10 years, tapos wala man ng proposal. I think you're wasting your 10 years. Kung hindi pa yung guy na yan yung for you talaga. And I don't think he is for you because of that. I don't think he is the one. So, maybe he's not the one. Maybe you should kind of like contemplate your relationship. I mean, reevaluate your relationship. There's this one pa. These girls are keep on saying, a man is never stingy with the woman he truly loves. This isn't about money, but about mindset. Exactly. Based on what you said, he's capable of giving more, but he didn't. Let him go. You deserve much better. Exactly. I would always hear from older people telling me, a man truly loves you if he's a good provider. I mean, a man truly loves you if he provides for you. Kasi even though if he doesn't have anything, but he has a provider mindset, he will still provide, you know. Hindi siya bibili ng 100 peso hair accessory para ibigay sa'yo. Ang dami ko makikita comment dito dyan na, what is she talking about? Why is she saying that? Pero I don't know. Hindi talaga. The treatment, the way he thinks of you like that, na ganun lang, na 100 peso hair accessory, I don't know. Naalala ko tuloy yung ano, yung Mikana na proposal na ring. If you remember that, yung Mikana na, ano, ring, proposal ring, bakit yun lang daw yung sing-sing, ang tagal na nila, like, I don't wanna judge the guy, maybe because wala naman talaga siyang pera or yun lang yung kaya niya i-provide. Maybe in the long run, he could provide for the family. But really, tapos ang dami nagsabi na, may kana na rin, yun lang yung kaya niyang ibigay na, you know, marriage proposal yun eh. Tapos may kana na rin lang ipopropose mo. We don't know, maybe he doesn't have money, yun lang yung kaya niyang ibigay. Or, we don't know then if that's just the worth nung girl sa kanya. You don't know. Two-way street, di ba? No, you have to think. Pero still, kasi, magpropose ka na lang, bakit hindi ka pa, hindi mo pa bonggahin? Kasi if I were the girl, sabihin ko, no. Proposan yun eh. Hindi naman ako nangihingi ng ng malaking ring. I'm just saying na bigyan mo ako ng ring na yung worth ko na at least man lang totoong gold, 'di ba? Hindi yung accessory lang siya. At least I know what I want, 'di ba? I hope this girl knows what she wants. Reevaluate your relationship. Makatak na lang dito out of nowhere. But yeah, 100 peso accessory. I think reevaluate, the relationship.